Oh, that was a rough one. Oh, that is
brutal.
Oh, she's getting it all out of there, huh?
Oh, yeah.
That's good. Can I check up? Oh,
yeah, that was yummy.
You got her? Is she doing okay? Oh, there she is. Yeah. Oh, oh.
Do we need another towel so we can...
Probably. Yeah, probably.
What about that
This one's all kinds of...
Oh, she's got all kinds of... Yeah.
Yeah, all kinds of blood on it.
Ew. Alright, I'll go find a couple more, okay?